So it's August here on Green Bay, and what happens is the bay warms up enough that the alewives, which kind of take over the bay from about June through the end of July, they get past their comfort zone and they start to move out of the bay. And when that happens, the walleyes go from having a buffet every night to having to really work for their food. So that creates a really cool situation. So when you come up here, what you're going to want to do is look for those places where their new forage lives, which is gobies. So I'm going to look for the larger rock complexes and reef complexes, which are going to provide not only an area for those gobies to live and thrive, but it's also going to create nice current breaks and current seams that the walleyes can move in and rest and get out of the current and look for good ambush points. Look for those large reef complexes, break them down with your electronics, and you're absolutely going to have some fun in August on this bay.